Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about bookmarking websites from within Scrivener 3 for Windows. If you go to the bookmark section with the inspector and click on the three dots, you'll notice that as well as creating bookmarks within your document, you can also add external bookmarks. In other words, bookmarks to websites. If you choose this option, you get a title box to name the bookmark and a place to put the URL. Once you've entered the information, or if you click on that bookmark, you get the option to load web page. As you can see, you get a full web page correctly displayed. So does that mean with something like Wikipedia you have the chance to search without even exiting your project file? No, sorry. If you perform a search, you'll be taken to your browser. But for accessing research that you've found on the internet, it can certainly make things easier. You can even search on the active page using Scrivener's find function. And you can open it into the editor if you want to, although I'm not sure that's as useful as for internal project bookmarks. Don't worry, even though it looks as if it's obliterated the text, that's still there. So if you're creating a book for which you have a lot of internet information sources, you might want to keep them all right to hand. Thanks for watching, and if you subscribed, I'll see you again next time.